Hi, my name is Gary Brady, and I've just completed the 2-year Foundations on 2 program through the University of Trent in Ontario and the Merit Center on Self-Regulation. I'm part of the first group of graduates from this program, and I'm presenting a series of information videos on the Shanker 5 steps of self-regulation and understanding the 5 domains of stress. And I'm posting these on YouTube. Each video is about 5 minutes in length and contain 5 slides of information. Each video has a brief written description and is designed to be very practical and concise. The series is designed to be followed in video sequence to fully appreciate the self-reg process. Each video will require the viewer to create their own stress inventory and continue to add to it throughout the series. All materials for the series comes from the Merit Center and the Foundations 2 course participants. Please contact the Merit Center at https://selfreg.ca and for further information on these topics, or you can contact me at www.wildrosecaregivers.ca. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the series. Step 5, Respond and Restore by Gary Brady. Step 5 is the final step in the Shanker 5-step method of self-regulation, which takes a close look at strategies we can use to restore our energy and keep tensions regulated. If you've been following this video series from the beginning, you have completed a personal stress inventory of stresses from all 5 domains, including some hidden stressors. You have looked at reducing or eliminating some of these stressors, and then reframed the remaining stressors, understanding that when your tension levels rise and energy drops, you are prone to a stress reaction. You have increased your stress awareness in all 5 domains, and in this video you will look at developing some lifelong strategies for restoration and resilience, allowing you to navigate your day being mindful of your stressors and staying in a flow state. Finding balance in our internal systems and inner lives allows for personal growth and a sense of well-being. Recognizing that your day involves the fluctuations of energy and tension, and when your body experiences low energy and high tension, the body becomes depleted of energy and quickly attempts to conserve whatever remaining energy is left by initiating a limbic or red brain response. In this state, the limbic system takes over, putting the brakes on the blue brain or executive functions, causing you to lose rational thought, focus, becoming highly emotional, and having trouble listening. Focusing on your behavior at this point is like applying a band-aid. Recovery from this state requires restoration practices through self-regulation by bringing yourself back to calm. Applying self-control or willpower is ineffective while experiencing a stress response. Write down in your stress inventory ways that you use to restore your energy. Every person has unique and individualized ways to restore and bounce back from energy-draining experiences. These lifestyle changes and mindset changes can change the trajectory of life toward a more balanced and healthy sense of well-being. Examples of restoration practices can be dancing, yoga, walks in nature, meditation, walking the dog, horseback riding, art, cooking, exercise, deep breathing, reading, and continuing to practice your own self-regulation through becoming mindful of your daily energy and tension. One way to stay in flow is to view everything that happens in the positive, finding value in all that you encounter. Thank you for watching this series on self-regulation and the 5 domains. Stay tuned for future topics such as self-control versus self-regulation, misbehavior versus stress behavior. Thank you, and stay tuned.